Welcome back, Acadiana. Let's look at the rainfall totals that were radar estimated over the last 24 hours. And as expected, everyone received anywhere between 1 to 4 inches of rainfall, with higher amounts around 6 inches. And this was mostly in portions of Mississippi, where they got upwards of 6.5 inches of rainfall. For us in Acadiana, we stayed between that 1 to 4 inch frame. So this will all go into account with that next drought monitor on Thursday. So we should see some improvement, but it won't completely eliminate that drought that we have here in Louisiana. So rainy conditions and storms yesterday. We're dealing with calm and nice weather on this Sunday, and that's all due to a cold front that pushed out that rainfall and bringing us back to drier and slightly warm temperatures for today. And right now we got most of our areas still in the 80s. Jennings is in the upper 70s with sunny skies, mostly sunny right here in Lafayette, but we'll continue to see that cloud coverage decrease as we get further into tonight. But that low pressure system and accompanying cold front that will push further off towards the east, still breaking in some shower activity, but we'll at least get that high pressure in here, and that'll keep us dry for another day or so before we get another surge of moisture that'll come in with a secondary cold front. And when it comes to those rain chances, very dry for Monday, but we'll get a slight uptick in rain chances, especially for Tuesday night with that secondary cold front. And good news, we're not expecting any severe weather, so that is some good news with that. And after that cold front pushes through early Wednesday, we'll remain dry for several days. Even for next weekend, those rain chances are remaining pretty low for next weekend. So temperatures tonight cooling off into the mid 50s there for our inland parishes, from Leesville to Opelousas in the 50s, even along Interstate 10, upper 50s to at least low 60s. For us, Lafayette down to at least 60 degrees, and our coastal parishes much of the same there. And for tomorrow, cooler in northern Louisiana, topping out in the upper 70s, but further south near the Gulf Coast, temperatures are a couple degrees warmer in the 80s. So it'll be similar to what we had today, coming up for tomorrow in the 80s, with more in the way of sunshine. But right now we're looking at major hurricane Melissa. It is a category 4 hurricane, and look at the eye wall on this system there. It's about 6 miles long, 6 miles wide to be exact, and it is multiple tropical storm warnings still in parts of Haiti. Now a hurricane warning for southeast Cuba, and Jamaica is still under that hurricane warning and will be for the next several days. So it's about 100 miles south of Kingston, Jamaica. It'll move off towards the west about 5 miles per hour. So it's still not moving too fast here, and likely to become at least a category 5 hurricane, possibly, or likely to remain a category 5 hurricane as it makes landfall in Jamaica. And it's been a while since Jamaica's seen a direct landfall from a hurricane, and they'll be to deal with still several days of heavy rainfall, catastrophic flash flooding, landslides, everything that comes with a powerful hurricane in this area. It'll eventually push on the other side of Jamaica sometime on Wednesday, still remaining a hurricane even as it moves through the Bahamas. And check out Bermuda, they are in the line of yet another hurricane by the time we reach the end of next week. So Melissa, still a hurricane there, about a category 1, but of course we can still get some changes there between now and next week. And here are those rainfall amounts, between 7 to at least 20 inches of rainfall, even higher, especially in some pockets of rainfall or thunderstorms. Now here closer to home, we got sunny skies coming up for tomorrow. We have that another burst of shower activity Tuesday night with that second cold front. So high of 81 on Tuesday, dropping into the mid 60s on Wednesday. But stay tuned, and we'll have another look at the 10-day forecast before the show ends.